Today we are doing a condiment, which can be made out of random things in your fridge, as long as they're green, I think. I don't know. And the condiment is called Zhoug. Zhoug. I'm sure that's an insult in some kind of language, but Zhoug is actually a spicy pepper condiment sauce that is from Yemen. Where's Yemen, you ask? Yemen. Vietnam. And it's actually made by the Jews who live in Yemen. So it's a condiment they have on the table, much like we would have hot sauce or fish sauce here, to spice up your food however you like. I'm gonna go into my fridge and figure out what I have that's about to die, because I make this often. You should just take whatever vegetables I have that are on the green side and all the herbs I have and throw them into a blender. So this is the no-cook recipe. The only part that I did cook is, since you have to have some kind of heat in it, you can use any pepper you like. I had these long, green, skinny, finger-length peppers. I've roasted them to pull the skin off. I don't know if I'll need two. Depends on how spicy they are. I think I'm only going to use one, as long as I do see it. Holy cow. Where's my water? Whew. This is a head of lettuce, not that much left. But yeah, I'm throwing that in. It's not traditional. That's the other thing. The way I'm going with it is not a traditional recipe. I'm using the basis of the tradition, which is usually parsley, cumin, maybe some olive oil, and some peppers, and then I'm kind of running with that. Wonder. Get in there. One of these peppers, which I'm going to de-seed. Just pop that in. Whoop. Ooh, I got a fat clove of garlic. Whoop. All right, here are my herbs. And you can see, like, some of this basil is not going to go in. I think it's basil or mint. Everything else that doesn't look sort of dead, even this coriander, toss that in. Parsley, remove the stems. The coriander, you can keep the stems on. I would take off the root. Shove that in. Also, juice from one lime, maybe a half to start. Some cumin, dry cumin that you toasted in a pan, like a half teaspoon or so. To taste, this is all the taste. Salt. Over my shoulder for some luck. Pepper. Olive oil, just a gloop for the zouk. And because this is all kind of not liquidy, I'm adding a splash of water. And blitz. How pretty that color is. Isn't that a gorgeous color? Oh. Alright, at this point, you want to taste for seasoning. Salt, pepper, does need a little more lime juice. It probably will not need that extra spicy pepper that I roasted. Yeah, it does not need that. So now what do I do with this sauce? Well, you can put it on the table to spice up your breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever. This is really good with fried eggs. Also really good with roasted pumpkin, which I happen to have some that I roasted the other day. Roasted pumpkin. Slather it on bread, or dip crackers in it, chips, bread. This is from Café Tartine. Thank you very much again. I'm gonna do that right now. Give myself a little snack. I ended up wearing it. Good thing I'm wearing a green dress. Anyway, today's episode is about Zhoug. Go out, dig whatever you have in the fridge that's green and pop it in your blender. Have a great week.